Hey, it's Billy, and that's Tis. This time I'm going...
Canoeing.
Canoeing. Okay, let's go canoeing.
Don't hit the duckies.
Oh no, watch out. Oh, paddle this way. Oh, paddle.
Mention the blue waters.
Wow. Why are we under the water?
Shut up. Shut the fuck up.
We don't talk about it.
I'm sorry. Continue.
Are you the driver here? I don't think so. I'm the canoeer. Oh wow, look at all these,
Look at the duckies.
Wow.
Quack, quack.
Oh no, watch out for this.
Look at the other duckies.
Oh my god. Kill it with fire.
Okay, we done? Are we done here? We're done.
I don't know what's going on.